5 best grinders. Here is the product number 5. Brushless Cordless Impact Angle Grinder. Application: grinding, sanding, wire brushing, sharpening etc. Battery: this item without battery. Compatible battery: compatible battery must be more than 4.0 watt. Protective shell diameter: 135 mm. We offer different combinations: body and a battery, body and 2 batteries, and BMC, blow mold case. Here is the product number 4. 100 mm Brushless Cordless Impact Angle Grinder without battery. Description: brushless motor, delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. No load speed, max 11,000 RPMs. Blade brake: braking caged when paddle switch is released, bringing the wheel quickly to a stop. Maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. Battery types: for Makita battery not included. Here is the product number 3. NEWACALOX Variable Speed Mini Grinder. Feature: durable and reliable, small volume, lightweight, easily carry, comfort grip handle, offers better control while drilling, convenient to use. Regulating speed: this electric carving tool has 3 speed adjustment range: 5,150 R per minute. Complete accessories equipped with 25 PCs accessories for drilling, already incomplete. Here is the product number 2. Dremel Rotary Tools Mini Grinding Machine, brand name, HILDA. Model number, KSDM59. Type, mini grinder. Power source, electricity. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Rated input power, 400 W. Usage, home DIY. Frequency, 50 Hz. Disc wheel type, grinding disc. Weight, 1.5 kilograms. DIY supplies, woodworking. Here is the product number 1. 10 watts mini wireless grinding machine. Feature: durable and reliable, small volume, lightweight, easily carry, comfort grip handle, offers better control while drilling, convenient to use. Suitable for J-Daggett, nuclear carving, wood carving, grinding aluminum plate, thin copper board, plastic board, chipboard, printed circuit board, epoxy board. The grinder engraving kit is necessary for DIY carving and grinding.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.